Hi, this is Brooke at Phillips Fiber Art. I'd like to introduce you to, or reintroduce you to, the Simple Curves tool. Now this tool makes curved piecing simple. That's why we call it that. Think of the possibilities. Now you're going to join us today for the Simple Garden tutorial. Now this is a free pattern offered to you on our site, and I've been sitting here thinking about the garden all week long, and the weather has other ideas. So let's go and enjoy this fun tutorial.
Starting with our A and B strips, we're going to cut all the way around the Simple Curves tool. Cutting our squash pieces starts with folding the strip in half. Align the Simple Curve tool to the edge of the open end of the fabric and cut along the top of the tool. Cutting our melons is similar. We're going to fold the strip in half, align the Simple Curve tool to the folded edge, and cut along the bottom of the tool. Now all of our pieces are cut. 2 squash, 3 melons, and 6 cucumbers. Let's get our garden started. Place an A curve on top of the B curve. The A should make a smile and the B should make a frown. Match and pin the center points, and then bring the smile corners down to the frown and match the edges. You've pinned in 3 places. Now just adjust the top layer to meet the edge of the bottom layer. Stitch, and voila! Here it is sewn. You open it up and it lays flat. Here's what it looks like from the back and from the front. See how nicely it lays? Now we're going to attach our first melon. We're going to use the same concept, the smile up and the frown down. Now we align and pin, and let's sew. We're going to go ahead and add on more cucumbers. We end up with this piece. Could be a great placemat, but we're going to add our squash next. Now that everything is sewn together, I've added 2.5-inch strips for borders. Using our Simple Curves tool, we can trim off the little tips of those borders and give it a beautiful rounded edge. And here's our finished runner.
Now that we have our garden planted, you need to go to our site and download the free Simple Garden pattern. You'll also need to make sure you have your Simple Curve tool. Now, if you're looking for a little bit more to do with your Simple Curve tool, do check out the sample behind me. This pattern is called Simple Bands. We also have Simple Harmony. Here's a few amazing samples using that pattern. This is the Wavy Runner. This one's included in your Simple Curves packaging. You're going to love making this one. It's a lot of fun. It's simple. You can find this product and much more at phillipsfiberart.com. Hope to see you there.